Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have the app ready. Now remove any split instantly. First, make sure the device is awake and unlocked, then open the app in question. If you see a narrow vertical divider between two app panes, tap and hold the divider handle. This starts the switch. Once done, drag the divider fully to the edge of the screen toward the app you want to close and hold until it snaps. This begins the transition back to one full-screen app. Once the divider is engaged, continue with controlled motion. Press and drag the handle steadily toward the edge of the screen where the app you want closed sits. You should see that app shrink and then disappear as the primary app expands. Make sure to reach the very edge of the display. Stopping short will leave both apps visible. If you have a pressure-sensitive device, use steady pressure. If not, maintain a smooth swipe. This ensures the system registers your intent to close the split. Finish by confirming the app now occupies the full screen. Tap the top area to check responsiveness. If the divider resists, force quit the secondary app. Swipe it away from the app switcher, then try dragging the divider again. If that still fails, restart your iPhone, power off, wait 5 seconds, and power on. As a final step, make sure your iOS is up to date, because bugs in older versions can make split gestures unreliable. Updating often fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.